Hello everyone. So in this video we will analyze and compare India's 5 most popular brokers on account of their commission and charges on different kind of orders. So before going into each individual stockbroker, we should know the difference between discount and full service brokers. So discount brokers like Zirodha, Upstocks and Grow, they charge very less commission and charges on each execution of orders. But they don't give you any tips and recommendation on which stock to buy at what point of time. Whereas uh, full service brokers like Angel One and ICCI Direct, they provide you a lot of information about which stock you can buy at what point of time, the stock analysis, its PDF, they share all those things with you, but they charge a higher amount of commission on execution of buy and sell orders. Now coming to the first and the largest stockbroker in India, which is Zirodha, its account opening charges are 300 rupees. But if you don't want commodity to be part of your Demat account, it will only charge you 200 rupees. Its account maintenance charges are 300 rupees, which is charged every quarter as 75 rupees. It doesn't charge you any amount for delivery if you take the shares as part of long-term portfolio. But if you do intraday trading, it will charge you 0.03% up to 20 rupees per order. Now, Upstocks, which is the second largest discount broker in India, it charges you around 249 rupees as account opening charges, and it has the same maintenance charges as Zirodha, which is 300 rupees, but it charges you amount for delivery for long term, which is 0.025%, and it also has a higher amount of intra-day brokerage as compared to Zirodha, which is 0.05 up to 20 rupees. Now, Angel One, which is a full service broker, doesn't charge you anything for account opening, and its annual maintenance charges are also lower than Zirodha and Upstocks, which is 240 rupees. It doesn't charge you anything for long-term holding of shares, which is zero. But if you do intra-day trading, it charges you 0.25% or up to 20 per order, which is very high as compared to Zirodha and Upstocks. Now coming to the second largest is full service broker in India, which is ICICI Direct. It doesn't charges you anything for account opening, which is free. It has very high account maintenance charges of 700 rupees, which is deducted from your bank account every April, which is the start of a financial year. It has very high delivery charges for long-term holding of shares, which is 0.55%, and it has the same intra-day charges as you have for Upstocks, which is 0.05%, which is very less than Angel Fund. Now coming to the latest and the newest member of the Demat account circle, which is Grow. It doesn't have any charges for account opening or maintenance. It's free, but it charges you 0.05% for each equity delivery, or if you do intra-day trading up to rupees 20. So this was all about the top 5 stockbrokers in India. If you want to see the detailed list of all brokers in India, you can check out this URL. I will paste that into the description of the video. It also has other players like 5 Paisa, HDFC Securities, Kotak, Motilal Oswal, Axis Direct, IIFL, and more. So this was all in the video, and if you want to also check full details of these stockbrokers, you can just go to full details, and there is a ton of information available for each broker. So you can also check that out if you want. So that was it for this video, and if you have any questions, comment that out. I will reply to all of them. Thank you for watching.